dengan mengucapkan Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Acara akad pernikahan antara Saudara Ikram Satria, anak dari pasangan Bapak Saiful Ahmad dan Ibu Ros almarhumah, dengan Saudari Fatia Utami, anak dari pasangan Bapak Suyoto dan Ibu Yusnani.
Ananda Ikram Satria bin Saiful Ahmad, saya nikahkan anak kandung saya Fatia Utami dengan mas kawin 15 mayam emas dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Fatia Utami, anak kandung ayah, untuk saya dengan mas kawin 15 mayam emas tunai.
This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. It's whatever I do, it just got to be you. My life has just begun. I finally found someone.
Did I keep you waiting?
I didn't run.
I apologize.
Maybe that's why
I'll wait forever just to know you